you may remember that I showed you how to create a customized ebook table of contents that would give you a clickable link for everything you wanted at the beginning of your book. Well, there's something else you need to know about that list. Hi, my name's Juliet, and I'm here today to tell you that custom TOCs don't work quite the same way as auto-generated ones. Let's start with auto-generated ebook TOCs. These are based on page breaks in your document, so every time you have a page break set in your section layouts in Compile, you get a TOC entry. Custom TOCs are different. They allow you to create a TOC for everything you want listed without having to have page breaks. In other words, subsections of chapters. But they don't work the same way in your ebook, because those extra entries that aren't linked to page breaks don't become a part of the navigation options in the final book. I only see the entries related to the page breaks. So you get the complete TOC at the beginning of the book, but not in the navigation. In a recent book of my own, I got around this by creating subsection clickable links at the beginning of each chapter. If you want to know how to do that, check out this video here.